Oh my god, I got one too. Dude, I was just trying to reel it in so I could net yours. Oh no!
Oh, hey!
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Bass Watch. I'm Cody.
I'm Alex.
We are at a spillway, a little spillway spot. Hoping to catch really anything. We're throwing nothing but lures today. We're looking for walleye, sauger, white bass, anything that fits the fish description. Into the wind tunnel we go. Okay. Let's fish. Oh baby! What? Come look at this little red-eared slider.
Are you enjoying the sun, friend? He is.
Like buddy. Alex throwing a Tackle Max Fugitive on what I believe is 1/4 ounce jig head. I'm gonna start with the jerk bait. The almost sinking, almost suspending jerk bait.
I can't see or feel shit. I would just like to catch a fish. A fish. A fish. I would just like to catch a fish. Oh! Yeah! Oh, I got fish! My first fish of the year!
Smallmouth?
Yeah! Yeah! Of course, my first fish of the year is a smallmouth.
Alex got the first fish of the day, and it's her first fish of the year.
Happy 2025. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at his
Bronze
eye.
back and a mud belly.
Look at his eye.
Yeah, he's pretty.
But look at it on this side, the orange.
Mm-hmm.
You're a real copper, friend.
Look at his dorsal.
Oh, yeah.
See you, bud. Doing one of them spinner wheelies.
Doing spinner wheelies. Kids out here doing spinner wheelies. I was literally just standing here like, I'd really like to catch fish.
If it was down low? Or?
It was really low.
Yeah.
And I had just popped it up a little bit.
It's gonna have to be. There we go. Oh shit. That was nice. That was nice. That was a nice. Oh god, what is it? Is that smaller? Yeah, smallie.
Nice.
Woo, my first smallmouth of the year.
Nice.
He's nice size too. Look, turtle. My first smallmouth of the year. You don't even care.
What should we name him?
Alex just caught one too, and they are tubby. Alright, see ya, buddy. Haha. Woo!
He wasn't as angry as my guy. That was a stick. No, it wasn't. It was a fish.
What?
It ate my tail.
I got fish. Dude, I paused it to look at Alex. Oh, that was a walleye then, I bet.
It bit off my tail. I need a new one.
Another smallie.
Nice.
I bet you that was a damn walleye.
I bet it was. Look at my tail.
Ah! See ya, bud.
Can you get me?
Yeah, here. Don't get too close to him. You don't want him like falling in one of our footprints. So this year at the 2025 Fishing Expo, we met a gentleman who owns a lure scent company called Strike Force, and we have two different ones. And I'm putting the bass fish attractant on it right now. We're gonna see. Smells like, gosh, smells nice. I'd bite it. Smells like garlic and onions. Smells good. Alright, man, it's already a better trip than it could have been.
I got crawfish on. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah.
There's spots?
Oh. Woo.
You can pick them up and put your thumb in his mouth.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Did your pouches in your mouth help?
No, I was trying to get a pouch and then all of a sudden I felt a thumpy thump.
Spot.
Yeah.
But look at that belly.
All of a sudden I felt the thumpy thump.
Tackle Max Craw. Nice job, babe.
Thanks.
Boy, he's a pretty little guy.
I love these things. CAT scan from a real crawfish. Check out Tackle Max. Maple syrup is the color to be exact.
Mm-hmm.
With their
stealth
cool
jig head.
heads.
Yep.
Okay. Goodbye. Can I have my foot that?
See a spot. He's pretty.
Yeah, he's mad at me. Bye.
Nice.
Holy shit.
Oh, keep him down, keep him down, keep him down. Is that drum or giant? Yeah, it's a drum, big drum.
Big drum. Big drum.
That's your PB.
Yeah.
For damn sure.
For sure. Holy shit.
Oh, goo.
Dude, I didn't know what it was. I was like, oh my god.
They are the most underrated fish. 420. Oh.
4.2.
We'll call it 4.3.
Is that in
pounds?
cups of tea?
Pounds. Bald
okay.
eagles.
Bald eagles.
See you, buddy.
Whoa. Hi. Goodbye. Flip over. There you go. There we go. Wow, he took off fast.
Man.
He's like, okay.
Drum are so awesome. They are awesome fish. Nice job.
Woo.
That was awesome. The water is 50 degrees, almost on the nose. Is that their drum?
No.
Got it. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Wow.
Nice.
Bigger.
That.
It's a fish.
Yeah, it is. The largemouth, it is. Look, look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he hungry.
Yep.
And they just keep getting bigger.
They do. Yeah, that is 4 fish, 4 different species.
3 of you're strong. 3 of them on the craw.
Yeah.
Fish number 4. Largemouth bass. He is hungry.
He is.
Look at his mouth.
Yep. It tells you that they've been feeding a lot, but that tells you they've been feeding on... Nice. Yeah, that tells you they've been feeding on a hard rock bottom, which usually indicates things like crayfish and hellgrammites and other sculpins, stuff like that they find on the rocks. Hell yeah. Nice job.
Woo.
Alright. I have joined the Tackle Max Craw committee. Bye, buddy.
Behave.
Grow up and be big.
I don't know how big they get, but
No matter how small you are, you make a big difference in the world, buddy. You hear that? That's a glorious sound. Look at the place we found. Look it. Actually, our buddy Josh helped us out. Thanks, Josh. Let's see if we can get down there. I didn't bring any rappelling ropes, but I watched a YouTube video on it once. Wow. Nature's cool. Look at this. Okay. Lay that there, that way we can step on it. I got one. Stay on. Smalley. Oh. Sweet.
What is it?
Smalley. Healthy. Little Ozark Creek Smalley. He is ready to go. See ya, man. Woo! There's got to be some good size, a lot of different species in here, to be honest.
There we go.
Oh my god, I got one too.
Ah.
Dude, I was just trying to reel it in so I could net yours. Oh no!
Oh, hey!
So pretty.
Holy cow, man.
Mine doesn't have leeches.
Man, we just doubled up. Oh, they're about the same size. Yours is fatter. Beautiful spotted bass, man. That is gorgeous. And beautiful creek Smalley.
Pretty, pretty.
Awesome. Cheers.
Dink. Okay, I gotta try not to fall down.
Oh yeah, me too. Ooh.
Okay, friend.
See you, buddy.
You're stupid. There you go.
You get the eccentric ones.
I know.
There we go. Look like a spot, no? It's another nice Smalley. Probably the same one.
Right.
Okay, no. You're gonna get mud in my face. Alright. Tackle Max Fugitive for the win. Hey, yeah, there you go. There we go. Oh, he came up from behind and smoked it and bounced it right toward me. Oh, come on. Another spot. Invasive species in Missouri. Oh, he's got the black spot.
Does he?
Yeah. Cool. You guys ever see a fish with black spot disease?
Oh,
See ya, buddy. Invasive species here in Missouri. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like it's these little...
there we go.
spots. They're small, yeah.
No.
No?
It's,
Large? No.
tis a fish.
No spot. Man, tell me they're not feeding.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh, there. Oh. Oh, I bet you that was the same fish. I lost him twice, you guys. I'm a loser. That was a nice fish.
Oh, God.
Alex is hooked up. Another little spot. Babe.
There we go. You're filthy.
We are rolling that creek fish yet. It's obvious.
Flip.
It's obvious that they are more closer to smallmouth and genetics.
You just like walked over here and started fishing where I was.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that was sick. I hope the camera caught that, the flash of that thing. I hate how spots, little spots will do that. Take it right at the bank. Damn it, why is it so hard to encourage anglers to challenge themselves and learn stuff in a growing type of way, not in a, you know, you're a wrong type of way, like you learned something new today, not I was proven wrong today. Don't quit looking at it like that, damn weirdos. Tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, the streams of the Midwest are coming alive. Okay, here is what I've switched to. There we go. That was probably the same fish. Another spotty bass. Spotty boy. Pretty. Shit. Shit. Yeah, double. Oh. Another spot. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, buddy.
That could be your PB spot.
Might be.
That's a dandy. That's a 2 1/4 pound fish, I'll bet you. Nice job. Look at that here. Our second double up of the afternoon. Look at that, father and son.
Blub, blub, blub.
Nice. That's easily Alex's PB spotted bass.
Oh, yeah.
What a beautiful fish. I'll let my little twerp go. Back to the nursery you go, bud.
1.25.
We'll edit that out. Maybe a party gift.
He splashed me.
Nice. Well, that was exciting. I am honestly very surprised that there's been no bites. You know, do I think that, oh, you guys see that? Ah, that was sick. Dude, you greedy, ow. Oh, look what I got. I almost got a hook in the hand for laughing at your misfortune. Nope. Come on, man. Dude, you are tuned up. Oh yeah, look at that red mouth. Okay. 100% largemouth. Very cool. Quit trimmering, you weirdo. It looks like a small one.
He felt like a front rower. Get in there.
Net man.
Yay!
I did my part. Look. Nice small.
He's big.
I was thinking he looked a little touch like a mean mouse. He might be.
His tongue has rough.
Ew. If he is, he's like almost all smally. But
Sorry, friend.
nice
It's really sinky.
okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna look at it. Pow! Aw! You jerk. Man, such strong fish for being not big. Alright, spotted bass bud, see ya. Belly flop. God, so subtle. There's a spot. Ooh. Little shit. Go terrorize the world. Uh-oh. Come on, stay on. I didn't know that was a fish. Oh! Ah, flung water in me eye.
Nice.
Beauty. See you, bud. Oh, I didn't mean to face plant you. Oh man, yeah, I'm just about tired. Well, I think we're gonna call it for the day on fishing. The sun is getting low, and so is our supply of jig heads and whatnot. So we're gonna hike back around and find a proper spot to make a proper dinner. Yum yum, get you some. Tonight it is Tostino's frozen pizza with a whole bunch of Dano's original on it. Cooked tailgate style, post adventure. Man, don't get any better than that. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. You know, it was a pretty damn good day. It was a good adventure. The stream queen here kicked my ass as usual. It was awesome. Make sure that you guys leave this video a like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Fins Outdoors, use our code STAYWILD10 at checkout to save 10%. Whisker Seeker Tackle, use our code BASSQUATCH15 to save 15% at checkout. You guys know what to do. Till next time.
Sorry.
Till next time.
Stay wild.
Stay wild.
Sorry.
Nice. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that.
I'm a lady, that's why.
Our buns are freezing. Literally.
You just like walked over here and started fishing where I was.
I'm sorry.
Would you be okay if I just touched you?
Don't leave me. I'll let you catch the biggest fish. Don't leave me. She's leaving me.
And free burn.
Guy fits in there.
Look at this cool rock.
Look at this cool box.
Yeah, look at him.
Look at rock.
You have some Red Bull to give you wings.
Go put your cologne on.
Huh?
I'm talking to the bait.
He's pooping.
As long as it's not on me. Like, subscribe, share, comment.
Hang on, I ran off the rails with this one.